Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2018 Arctic Cat Wildcat X Limited. We've just installed the Street Legal Kit on it, part number 9101 from RYCO Motorsports. Wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about the kit. What we love about this kit for the Wildcat is it does come with some special brackets, as you see here, where the 3/4 inch amber LEDs are mounted. This is a custom bracket specifically for it. I love that it matches the stock headlights there and the design of it. They're tucked in, great out of the way. You don't have to drill holes in the fenders. They do have daytime running lights on them. You can override that function if you would like. How do you activate the turn signals? Just like you do in your car. Left will be down. Indicator light up there on the dash to let you know the turn signals are on. There you can see the driver's side flashing. Also with the RYCO kit, my absolute favorite part is how it ties into the stock tail light housing. You're using all those LEDs in the stock tail light. That way you've got good bright visibility. Up will be right. Indicator light up there on the dash. The RYCO kit also has the 4-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All 4 corners are activated and flashing. And around the rear. Gotta love that, nice and bright, utilizing those stock LEDs. To release the 4-way hazard function, simply go up or down with this lever. You don't push that red lever back in. Horn button, integrated into the end of the lever. Nice, loud, car-style horn. Also, I'm gonna flip on the headlights here, which will also turn on the LED that's used to illuminate the plate at night. The RYCO kit is also going to come with all of the mounting hardware to mount that plate up to your machine. The RYCO kit is a plug-and-play kit specifically designed for each machine. We do have them available for every machine on the market. Gotta love this Wildcat X Limited. This one's going to Stephanie here in Utah. We're excited for her. If you have any questions about the Wildcat, about the Street Legal Kits, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. Have a great day, everybody.